Cordial greet. I am Diana Serley Amaya Belandia, Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Unit to staff treat identify technology valued. Ingrid Tatiana Gomez, Group 21 Tooth, Children 3 Tooth, AA. April 11 to 2022. Diana Sirlea Maya Belandia, Unity 2, April 8 de 2022. Lack of information on market challenge, rollings and non-compliant to an station. Lack of new of valuation met with difficulty in avoiding production costs. Lack, lack of interventions technology on the part of in the results periods it in the snow. Lack in the technology acquisition due to lack of need of production market and in the poor costs. The application of technology allows companies the organization to adapt good production and the marketing practice like achieving successful string fruit at the economic and social growth. The power of the technology allows the company to eliminate buried in product sales, increase production, and avoid the undercut of the production and marketing. Thanks for your attention.